Hello grade 7s, it's nearly the weekend, but let's carry on with our decimals. Today we're going to be doing division of decimal fractions by whole numbers. So let's look at this problem here. 0,9 divided by 3. Well, 0,9 is 9/10. And 9/10 divided by 3 will be 3/10, which is 3/10, which is 0,3. If we have 1,4 and we divide it by 2, 1,4 is 1 4/10. 1 4/10 is the same as 14/10. And 14/10 is 14/10. Divided by 2 is 7/10, which is 7/10, which is 0,7. Let's look at a slightly more difficult one. 1,25 divided by 5. For this one, we will use a house. We want to see how many times 5 can fit into 1,25. 5 does not fit into 1, so we pass it on to the next number. 5 into 12 goes twice, remainder 2. 5 into 25 goes 5 times. Your comma must be transferred to the answer. So your answer is 0,25. And if you were to check that, you would say 0,25 multiplied by 5, and your answer would be 1,25. Let's look at another example. 1,326 divided by 12. 1,326 divided by 12. 12 does not fit into 1, so we pass it on to the next number. 12 into 13 goes once, remainder 1. 12 into 12 goes once, no remainder. 12 into 6 goes 0 times, so let's add a 0 at the bottom and give the 6 to the 0. 12 into 60 goes 5 times, no remainders. Make sure that your comma is transferred up. So your answer is 0,1105. One last one before I leave you up to the exercise. Let's look at 2,2 divided by 6. 2,2, and we know we're going to need a few extra zeros, divided by 6. 6 does not go into 2, so we pass the 2 on to the next number. 6 into 22 goes 3 times, because 3 times 6 is 18, so the remainder is 4. 6 into 40 goes 6 times, remainder 4. 6 into 40 goes 6 times, remainder 4. You can see what's happening. So your answer, remember, your comma goes up there, is 0,3, and the 6 is recurring.